Skincare going smoothly, but trading ka risk getting under your skin. Relax. Punch makes risk management so smooth. You can do it while you wait for your mask to set. Ready? Step 1. Hydrate. Options can be very risky, but Punch has your back with built-in protection. Once you've entered a position, head over to your Positions tab, right here. Ouch. It says you're not protected. Let's fix this, shall we? Tap on Set Protection. Set your stop loss and target. And punch it, all while keeping your eyes on the chart. And look, your trade is now protected. It's that simple. You know, using Punch with one hand is pretty easy, but peeling off that mask, tumse na ho paega. Back to the screen. Let's say you want to change your target and stop loss. Simply tap on Edit Protection, right here. And again, set your values, and you're all set. Great. Now that's just beautiful. Your skin looks nice and pampered, and your trade is in safe hands. Now check out our complete playlist to see how Punch makes it so easy to place, track, manage, and protect your moves and options. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.